Yes, sir. Another great day. Passenger princess with me. So she's better do. Wait. Whoa, you're wildin', bro. Mia took a shit over there. Come this way. So wifey's better do the cold start. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
You're gonna cut this off.
Bro, just get in the car. I haven't got a cold start yet. There's no comfort access, unfortunately. Bro, just start the car. Oh, yeah, nah. Yeah, she's a little loud. Hey, yo, it's cold. You're wildin'. Come on, sweetheart. Go in your car so you can move it. I'm dead. Here, take this. The drink. We're just moving the cars around. Better start the day. Oh, shit. What? You're driving? Oh. Little girl, you're nutty, bro. Yo, you're catching airtime. Yo, move the carpet. You're wildin'. Yes, sir. Taking the G20 today. I think she needs another bath, though. She's super clean.
Not in the back.
Bro, what a drag. I love these cars where you put the foot underneath it. Best thing ever. I just wish there was a button to close it.
The reason on my car is the clean one.
Oh my god. Yeah, nah, that's copyright. You are wildin'. Nah, we're not jacking no Taylor to that. Sorry, Tay. Gotta take the 330 to go get gas because somebody likes to drive on low on gas all the time.
So it's actually pretty good.
Was pretty good. 56 miles?
Yeah.
Bro, that's not that good. Nah, who remembers when that shit was like $5, bro? Now, honestly, since the 335's been downpipe, I kind of noticed that it guzzles gas a lot more than it usually does. I'm assuming when stage 2 goes in, I'm gonna be losing a lot more gas than originally. But this car is amazing on gas though. Like, the G20 is like crazy on gas. 290 gallons for $40 is not bad. I don't know if it's just where I'm at, but if you ask me, that's a pretty good deal. Alright, so the point of the video today, honestly, is so I could go pick up the Affinity. So me and my passenger princesses, my little furball, and my queen, we better take the G20, go pick up the Affinity. Well, we better go shopping first, then we're better go pick up the Affinity, because the Affinity's been parked in my man's crib for like 4 days now, and I don't want to get it towed. So we're gonna go pick that up. But that's pretty much the objective of today's video. I want to start getting into daily vlogging. Of course, that big ass truck really pulled out in front of us for no reason. But I want to start getting into daily vlogging and like actually like just like trying to get used to it.
Close. Did you see that?
Yeah, nah, that's crazy, bro. I don't know why there's like big ass trucks back to back to back. Yeah, they're wildin', bro. They're wildin'. But yeah, so I want to start getting into daily vlogging. I haven't really like been vlogging lately, but I really wanted to been. But I'm just gonna try getting into the habit of it now. I be camera shy in front of people. I'm not gonna lie. Even when I'm in traffic in these fish bowls, people can see me inside the car, and it just looks very embarrassing. Honestly, people probably just be looking at me like, "Why is he even vlogging?" And I don't even want to be behind this truck, bro. I don't know why I'm here. But yeah, so now we're gonna get into this, trying to get into like a daily schedule. I want to try to like upload at least 2 vlogs a week. Yeah, nah, people always be doing some righteous shit. I'm about to show people how to really use the blinker.
Oh, please. No. There's this. Oh my God.
Bro, why are you so obnoxious? Nice driving, lady. Alright, so yeah, now I want to try uploading at least like 2 vlogs a week or 3 vlogs a week. I really want to start like uploading a lot more. It's been difficult because having no things that have content kind of like discourages me. So now that I'm like kind of in a consistent mindset, I want to keep it flowing. I'm just gonna try to go to car meets and just do other kind of material or other kind of content. I just want to get into the habit of it. Let me know what kind of content that you guys like. Honestly, if you like the point of views, let me know. If you like the car vlogs, like, I can't really do installs because I'm not that mechanically inclined. So do not kind of expect that kind of from me. But if I could, I would. Trust me. But just don't take my word as an advice, because I'm just a person I go from experience. Just let me be the person that you learn off of, if that makes sense. So yeah, so now we're about to just go ahead and pick up we're about to go grocery shopping, and then we're gonna go pick up the Infinity. So yeah, so let me just get back to you so we can get the cold start of the Infinity when we get to the apartments. Nah, there she is, beautiful. Honestly, I hate when people park next to my car, but when they leave a gap, I'm not even mad. It's cool with me. As long as you respect my shit, I respect you. Oh yeah. Nah, I low-key miss my car. You really can't see in there like that, now that I think about it. Nice little cold start. Damn, these cars look fire, bro. Fire duo. Yes, sir. Back in the G. Honestly, I kind of miss driving it. Ever since I got the Beamer back from Petrol Works, it's just been like, I've just been in that car like every day. I feel like that's what happens to me. Once I get my car back, or like a specific car that I haven't had in a while, I just like kind of like favor that car. Yeah, nah, they are not gonna catch me slipping. Last time I didn't stop for them, I got a $250 ticket in the mail. So I learned my lesson. And this person in fucking Akron was clapped it back like a fucking idiot. So yeah, like I was saying, anytime I get a car back from the shop or something, or I haven't had a car in a while, I kind of favor that car for a while. Honestly, the next one that's going to go into the shop is probably going to be the Infinity. I kind of want to put some mid-pipes on here. I mean, test pipes. Mid-pipes, exhaust, test pipes. So yeah, I want to put test pipes on here. Make it a little bit more louder. It's loud. It's loud right now, but it's not that loud. So like I was saying, honestly, I want to put the Infinity in the shop next. I want to get test pipes done. Make it a little bit more louder and rowdier, since the Beamer's not going to be that loud. Or I do a muffler delete on the F30. Either one, I'm not even mad about. I'm kind of down for each or just make both of them loud, honestly, at this point. But I miss the Infinity, I'm not going to lie. This has been my baby. Everybody hates the Infinity. But yeah, nah, can't wait to put this in the shop. I'm glad I got this back and not get it towed out of my man's parking lot. That'd have been tragic. You know, I miss this car, bro. Know what it is though? It's slow. I raced the RT. It kept up with the RT, but bro, that's a RT though. Not even a 392. But the main problem, what's holding me back from doing work on the Infiniti is that. Yeah, nah, I love her. Yeah, you get lots of stairs in this car. She definitely could be way louder though. Yeah, nah, she's alright, bro. She's just really slow. But it's okay though. Honestly, like, not all cars are meant to be fast, bro. Just throwing that out there. It's definitely a nice drive though. Jumping from the Beamer to the Infiniti is totally different, bro. Totally different. I honestly get bullied way more on the road with the Beamer than I do with the Infiniti. It's kind of messed up, but nobody likes BMW drivers. Like, there's a big misconception saying that BMW drivers are assholes. Yes, they are assholes, but there's a lot of assholes that are to BMW drivers just because they think they're assholes. Like, I got F30 Bozo on my place. I really feel like that instigates a lot of people, but at the end of the day, bro, there's no reason why I should be getting into much road rage as I do with the Beamer than I do with any of my cars. Like, bro, I got in so much road rage with the Beamer than I did my whole fucking life. Like, I just don't understand a lot of the purposes behind these Long Island drivers. But I just been getting a lot of road rage lately with the Beamer, and I just feel I need to put it up. I can't drive it 24/7 because everybody just treats me like a dick on the road when I'm in the Beamer. I don't know, bro. It kind of pisses me the fuck off, bro, because, like, I be trying to do, like, a 40 pull on the highway, and somebody from the right lane would just swerve into the left lane, no blinker, and just drive 40 miles an hour. I don't know why. I have the worst luck with driving. But, man, these people are just retarded, bro. Like, what's up with everybody? I have the worst luck, though. I love the way the Infiniti sounds. She's alright. I'm just trying to produce more content for you guys. Try to build my name up there. I just want to start putting out more daily vlogs. I've been slacking, and I always told myself I wanted to be a YouTuber. It's kind of corny to say it, but yeah. So expect more daily content coming from me. It'll literally be hard because I just don't got a lot of funds to just pay for all the parts that I want to do. Like, I want to do a lot to my cars, and there's just not enough money in the world. I'm not even looking for YouTube to even support any of it. Honestly, I like YouTube because it helps me document the stuff that I do. It helps me look back at myself on things I did and see how I could have bettered myself. Because, like, the best way to really better yourself is to look at yourself in the mirror, right? So I want to see how I go about things, see how I talk, see how I move, see how I do business, and learn how I could better myself all around, and, like, it all be documented. So, like, later on when I get older, my future kids can, like, see how their dad made so much possible. But let's just take the Infiniti home. I'll have you guys back when I get to the house.